Hey folks, blind mechanic here today, working on the C10, the square body again. This is a 79. Making this video because I was looking around on YouTube before I got started on it, just to kind of get an idea of where the blower motor resistor is. On some vehicles, or on another vehicle of mine, the blower motor resistor is down really far on the bottom of the fan motor. So you have to take the whole fan motor off to get to it. So I was just trying to get an idea, since I can't see the blower motor resistor, where it was. And there wasn't a video on YouTube showing one on a square body, but it's super simple. It's right here on the blower motor. You disconnect the wires. It's a 3-pin connector, and it's held on by two 9/32 bolts. Just take those out, take your old blower motor resistor out, reinstall the two 9/32 bolts, plug it back in. And symptoms of a bad blower motor resistor are if your fan only works for your heat and your air, if it only works on high, you notice it doesn't work on low or medium. Mine was only working on high, so I knew it was a blower motor resistor. Went and picked one up. I think it was under 10 bucks at Oreilly's. I'll try to get a part number in the description. Took the old one out, put the new one in, and all the fan speeds work now on it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share if you'd like to. Once again, this is Blind Luck Mechanic. Thanks.